Today is Monday or Wednesday, March 30th or April 1st, 2020, depending on whether you're in 5e E, Monday, March 30th, or 5e B, Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. So what's the weather like today? Look at the temperature and tell me what's the weather like. Let's look. It's definitely not this one either. It's not really this one. Oh, where's the, here it is. Yes, it's this one, okay? So let's go. Today, it is, remember this one? Cloudy, okay? And I don't know if you had, but it was kind of this one too, okay? Cloudy and windy. Great. Now let's talk about the temperature. It was 10 degrees Celsius, okay? What about the Fahrenheit now? 10 degrees Celsius is apparently 50 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? So let's go. Today it is cloudy and windy and, well, 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it hot? Or is it chill? Well, for me it's kind of cold, right? So today it is cloudy and windy and cold because it's 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I need you to have a look at the cities of Dallas and Los Angeles, but be careful. Look at the date. It was on Saturday, okay? Not today. So what about Dallas? And remember, the date was on Saturday, okay? Not today, but on Saturday. So, on Saturday in Dallas, it, remember, was. It's in the past, okay? On Saturday in Dallas, it was sunny. And what about the temperature? The temperature was 62 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? 62 degrees Fahrenheit is 16 degrees and a half in degrees Celsius, okay? And this is kind of warm, right? So on Saturday in Dallas, it was sunny and warm. Well, actually, 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius, is it really warm? Well, it depends on your interpretation, okay? Some of you will say it's warm, some of you will say it's chill. Ça dépend de l'interprétation de chacun. Peut-être que certains trouvent que 16 degrés Celsius, c'est plutôt tiède, et certains vont peut-être penser que c'est frais, donc mettez celui qui vous correspond le mieux. Now, what about Los Angeles? And it was still on Saturday, okay? So, on Saturday in Los Angeles, okay? It was on Saturday, so it was. Oh, this time in Los Angeles we had this one and this one. So how we're going to say this, okay? Well, maybe we can use someone that we've already seen together. In Los Angeles, it was sometimes sunny. Ça vous rappelle quelque chose? Sometimes, adverbe de fréquence. It was sometimes sunny and sometimes, remember this one? Rainy. Sometimes sunny and sometimes rainy. It was 60 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius, that's 15 and a half. So 15 and a half, this time can be really chill, okay? So it was sometimes sunny and sometimes rainy and chill because it was 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Great. Now, I'm going to show you a little video, okay? You're going to watch this video and you're going to tell me, okay, how the weather will be in Australia, okay? It's a video on the weather in Australia. So I really need you to watch and get any information you can on weather in Australia. Vous allez regarder la petite vidéo qui va suivre et essayer de récupérer toutes les informations que vous pouvez sur la météo en Australie.
Today we're going to talk about the weather. Have you checked the forecast today?
Yes, I have. It's going to be pretty hot.
Oh, what's the temperature?
It's going to get to nearly 40.
Ugh. What Jack's talking about is the temperature. That's one of the main things we look at when we check a weather forecast. The temperature can be measured in degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius, but in Australia we use Celsius. In spoken English, you're more likely to hear people say degrees rather than degrees Celsius, or just the number. Jack, can you give us an example?
So glad you asked, Sarah. In the south of Australia, it's going to be very hot today. Melbourne will reach a top of 38 degrees, while Adelaide will get to 39. In the east, it's a bit cooler. Sydney will get a top of 32, while Brisbane will be at 35. Back to you, Sarah.
So what about Australia, okay? In Australia, what information did you get on weather in Australia? Let's go back to the video. Now, as you can see, the man says it's going to be pretty hot. Well, it said in Australia, it's, okay, it's going to be, okay, and they said pretty hot. Do you know what pretty hot means? Okay? The word pretty, normalement, je pense que certains d'entre vous connaissent, c'est joli, mignon, pretty, d'accord? Someone who's pretty. Mais quand vous l'utilisez dans une expression, par exemple, pretty hot, avec une température, pretty hot, c'est carrément, c'est pour insister, d'accord? Carrément chaud. In Australia, it's going to be pretty hot, okay? Would you have a synonym for pretty hot then? Maybe we can use the synonym extremely, okay? Pretty hot, extremely hot. Let's go back to the video for more information about the weather in Australia.
In the south of Australia, it's going to be very hot today. Melbourne will reach a top of 38 degrees, while Adelaide will get to 39. In the east, it's a bit cooler. Sydney will get a top of 32, while Brisbane will be at 35. Back to you, Sarah.
Now, as homework, okay, I need you to watch the video again, all right, and try and find information on the weather in Melbourne, Adelaide, Sydney, and Brisbane, okay? I need you to find information, okay, extra information on those cities, and I need you to write those informations in your copybook. So for today, you need to write the date, the lesson, okay, with the homework, the classroom English, and the toolbox. Pour aujourd'hui, nous avons donc retravaillé sur comment parler de la météo d'aujourd'hui, la météo d'avant, et puis visiblement, on a commencé à parler de la météo en Australie. Et à votre avis, c'était aujourd'hui, avant, plus tard? It's going to be. Visiblement, peut-être que certains d'entre vous l'ont remarqué, c'est une forme de futur, d'accord? On va rentrer en détail dans cette forme-là et sur comment parler de la météo au futur, d'accord? Puisque je vous demande en devoir de trouver des informations sur la météo à Melbourne, à Sydney, à Adélaïde et à Brisbane. Donc il faut revoir la vidéo, revenir en arrière, voir la vidéo, d'accord? Et essayer de trouver des informations sur la météo de ces villes-là. Et visiblement, vous allez réutiliser des petites expressions au futur. À vous de les trouver dans la vidéo, on en parlera la prochaine fois. Et donc vous devinez bien qu'en plus d'apprendre à dire la météo, la séquence que nous sommes en train de travailler va porter sur l'expression du futur. Donc pour aujourd'hui, on écrit la date, la leçon. En devoir, il faut trouver des informations sur la météo dans ces villes-là. Le petit classroom English, la petite toolbox. Et c'est fini pour aujourd'hui.